Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best fabric conditioners out there, the Laundress Fabric Conditioner. If you're looking to elevate your laundry game with a product that not only softens fabrics but also leaves them with a delightful scent, you're in the right place. The Laundress Fabric Conditioner is not just any ordinary softener. It's designed to give your clothes that extra touch of freshness and softness that you can't resist. Whether you're dealing with static-prone fabrics or simply want to enhance the feel of your clothes, this product promises to deliver. Let's talk about what makes this fabric conditioner stand out. Firstly, it's infused with the Laundress's signature Isle scent, a refreshing blend of fresh basil, mint, lime, and subtle woody notes like jasmine and sandalwood. This isn't just a conditioner, it's a fragrance experience. Application-wise, it's straightforward. With its new lightweight consistency, measuring and pouring are a breeze, minimizing any mess. It's designed to pair perfectly with the Laundress's signature detergent in Isle for a cohesive laundry routine. Now, diving into the formulation. The Laundress has updated this product to include more bio-based ingredients, aligning with eco-conscious practices without compromising on performance. Ingredients like dehydrogenated palmoylethyl hydroxyethylmonium methosulfate ensure effective softening. If you're wondering about allergens, it's important to note that while this product contains fragrance allergens like linalool and D-limonene, it's formulated to be gentle on most skin types. However, as always, it's good practice to check if you have specific sensitivities. To wrap up, if you're looking to indulge your senses and elevate your laundry experience, the Laundress Fabric Conditioner is definitely worth considering. It combines effective fabric softening with a refreshing scent profile that's sure to leave your clothes feeling and smelling amazing. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy laundering!